Want to attach a PDF to an AWeber email? You've probably noticed there's no direct attach file button, but don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to do it, plus a much better way to handle this if you want a smoother experience. Stick around, because at the end, I'll also give you access to an exclusive extended free trial for a tool that makes this way easier. So here's how it works in AWeber. Instead of attaching a PDF directly, you need to upload it somewhere online and then insert the link in your email. AWeber actually provides free file hosting, so you can do this inside your account. First, go to your AWeber dashboard, click on Files and AMP, Images under the Lists section, and upload your PDF. Once it's uploaded, click on the file to get the URL. Copy that link. Next, when writing your email, you'll want to hyperlink some text, like download your PDF here, or you can add a button in the email editor and paste the PDF link there. That's the only way to send a PDF with AWeber. Now, the downside? This method works, but it's not ideal. The biggest issue is deliverability. Emails with external links, even if they're hosted on AWeber, can sometimes get flagged as promotional or even end up in spam. Plus, if you want to track who actually downloads your PDF, AWeber's built-in analytics are pretty basic. Another problem? It's not the best experience for your subscribers. A direct attachment is just simpler and more intuitive, but AWeber doesn't support that. So what's a better option? If you want an email platform that actually lets you send files directly, or at least provides better tracking, automation, and a smoother user experience, there are better choices. That's why I've added a link below to an exclusive extended free trial for a tool that does this way better. Plus, I've included some other great alternatives, all with free trials, so you can see which one fits your needs best. Check the description for the best free trials, and I'll see you in the next video.